जो बर्चेज है इसका जो लास्ट स्टेंजा ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, इट इज रियली द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेंजा. एंड अर्थ इज द राइट प्लेस टू लव. दिस इज ऑल्सो द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन. As I have already told you that the poet Robert Frost, he wants to go away from this earth for some time. But he doesn't want to go away from this earth forever. When he wants to go, when life becomes full of troubles to him, when life is just like a forest where there is no proper way where he can go, where he can treat. He means to say that whenever he faces troubles, problems, sufferings, he wants to go away from this earth. He wants to go to birch trees. But it does not mean that he wants to go away from this earth forever. He wants to go away from this earth for some time. And after that he wants to come back again here, because he knows very well that earth is the right place for love. There is no place that is greater than earth. So that's why poet he wants to go away from this earth, but not forever, only for some time. And then he wants to come back here. He says that when he climbs the birch trees, when he reaches at the top branches, they cannot tolerate the weight of the poet, and they bend, and the poet again comes on the earth. Then he again starts climbing the birch. So this process goes on forever. This coming and going maintains a type of interest in the life of a person. So this is the reason that poet he wants to go away from this earth only for a short time, and then he wants to come back again, and he wants to start his life again on this